It's Tuesday and we are going to continue with our English lessons. Are you ready? Read the phonics words row by row. Then write the words out 5 times. Remember that by writing them, you are practicing to learn how to spell them. Remember to pause the video.
Do. I will do my homework. It means I will still get there and I will still do it later. But if I say my sister do her homework, it doesn't make sense. It's the same as the sight word goes. I need to add an E and a S. Then the word becomes does. And our sight word for today is does. I will do my homework means I'm still going to do it. Or my sister does her homework. She is doing it now.
Let's read our comprehension passage together. Let's start by reading the title. Butterflies. Butterflies and moths belong to the same family. This family is called insects. They are pretty insects. A butterfly flies during the day. A moth flies at night. A moth has a fat body. The butterfly has a thin body. A butterfly has bright colors. A moth has dull colors. They both drink nectar from flowers. The nectar is very sweet. They suck it up with their long, thin tongues. Butterflies and moths do not live for a long time. They die after about a week. Birds, bats, lizards, and spiders eat them. Now you are going to look for nouns in your comprehension passage. If you have the comprehension in front of you, underline the nouns in red. If you do not have the comprehension in front of you, point on the screen. The answers will show up on the next slide, so pause the video so that you don't see the answers before you've done the activity. Here are all the nouns that I found. Did you find them too? Pause the video and check your work. Now you are going to look for your verbs. If you have the comprehension in front of you, underline the verbs in green. If you don't have the comprehension in front of you, point on the screen. The answers will pop up on the next slide. So pause the video, do the activity, then press play when you are ready to see the answers. I've underlined all the verbs in green for you. Pause the video to check your work. Now you are going to look for punctuation in the comprehension passage. Punctuation is capital letters at the beginning of a sentence, full stops at the end of a sentence, and commas when we are listing things. I want you to pause the video, look in your comprehension passage for the punctuation, and color them in yellow, then press play to check your work. I went and colored all the punctuation in yellow, all the capital letters, all the full stops, and all the commas. Pause the video to check your work. Did you find all the punctuation too? This week you made your own mind map, and I've put in a mind map here of a butterfly. I want you to look at it and compare your mind map to mine.